Hello, everyone. Plan a move with me. First, I need to think. I need to organize my thoughts. I need a plan. First, let's start with clothes. I need to sort my clothes. I think I will have 3 separate boxes. One box with clothes to keep, a second box with clothes to donate, and a third box with clothes to put in the trash. I need to organize my clothes. Next, I need to organize my kitchen. So, I will organize the plates, the cups, and the food. I will have 2 separate bins, one bin to keep, and another bin to donate. This will help me organize my kitchen. Next, I will organize my books. I have a lot of books. And again, I will have a bin to keep and a bin to donate for these books. Once I have decided on what to keep and what to donate, I will begin to group them into different boxes. I will organize a box for my clothes, a box for my kitchen items, and a box for my books. First, I will start with my clothes. I will fold them and place them into a box that is labeled clothes. Next, I will organize and pack my kitchen items. I will wrap my kitchen items to protect them. Then I will place them inside this box and I will make sure to label it kitchen. Next, I will organize and pack my books. I will make sure to pack my heavy books first. They will go at the bottom. Then I will place the lighter books at the top. This will keep everything nice and organized. When moving day comes, I will also try to keep this process organized as well. I will take my time packing everything into the moving truck. I will start by packing the heavy items first. Then I will pack the medium items, and the light items will go last. These will be my plates and my cups. These items are fragile, so they will be packed last. When I arrive at the new home, I will make sure to keep the unpacking process organized as well. I will make sure that each box goes into the correct room. The clothes box will go into the bedroom. The kitchen items will go into the kitchen. And the books will go into the living room. This will help make unpacking a whole lot smoother. If I follow this plan, moving will be easy. Everything will stay organized, clear, and a whole lot less confusing. Thank you for helping me plan and organize. Bye!